Hey everyone, I am Trikam Devasi. Today I am solving LeetCode problem number 2119, a number after a double reversal. Can you solve a LeetCode problem with just one line of code? Let's solve LeetCode 2119 using a simple mathematical observation in C++. We are given an integer. First reverse its digits, then reverse the result again. Our task is to check whether the final number is exactly the same as the original number. Return true if it is, otherwise false. The trick is to understand what happens during reversal. When a number ends with 0, that 0 disappears after reversing. For example, 1800 to 81. Reverse it again, 81 to 18. The original number was 1800, but after two reversal it becomes 18. So the numbers ending in 0 will never stay the same. The only exception is 0 itself. Our entire solution is just one line. Return num is equal to 0, num modulus 10. Let's break it down first. Num equals to 0. If the number is 0, we immediately return true. Otherwise, number modulus 10. This checks the last digit. If the last digit is 0, the expression becomes false. If the last digit is anything other than 0, it becomes true. So this one line perfectly handles every case. Let's test a few examples. 526 reverse once 625. Reverse again 526. The answer is true. In example 2, 1800 reverse once 81. Reverse again 18. Not equal to 1800. Answer is false. When input is 0, reverse 0, reverse again 0. Answer is true. The time complexity is O of 1. Space complexity is also O of 1. No loops, no strings, no extra memory. And that's it. A complete LeetCode problem solved with just one line using a simple math trick. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more LeetCode C++ solutions explained in the simplest way.